If you've used Tactical Arbitrage 1, you might know this as Easy Bulk. In TA 2.0, you can find this feature under Website Library Search, and it's built right into Product Finder. This option lets you quickly scan from a list of supported sites without needing to paste any URLs. It's ideal for when you want to browse full store sections or run broad searches with minimal setup. To begin, go to the Search tab, open Product Finder, and click Find Products in the top right. Now choose your scan type. Efficient is recommended for most scans. It blends live and cached data to speed things up while still giving reliable results. Online pulls everything fresh in real time. It's more current, but usually takes longer to finish. Custom gives you full control, letting you adjust how deep the scan goes and how it handles timeouts or speed. Then, select where you're sourcing from and where you're selling, and click Next Step. On the next page, choose Use Website Library as your scan type. You won't see a list of sites here, but you can type and select the website you want to scan. Then, choose the categories you want to include. You won't see a list of sites here, but you can type and select the website you want to scan, then choose the categories you want to include. Click Add Categories and you'll see them listed under the Added Website section. Note that you can pick up to 500 pages by ticking the boxes. No need to copy or paste any links. You can choose as many sites as you want as long as the total number of selected categories doesn't exceed 500. If a single website has more than 500 categories, split it into smaller sections or run multiple scans to cover everything. On the right side, you'll see how many categories you've selected and a search speed indicator. Under Website Search Box, there's a Price Adjustments filter where you can factor in discounts, cashback, gift cards, and taxes. Simply toggle it on to apply the available discount, or click Customize to set up price adjustments for all websites in this search. And the last part is to set up your filters. By default, you'll see a list of popular filters. Just toggle them to activate. Some have preset values, like minimum gross ROI at 0.1%, but you can adjust those to fit your sourcing goals. We recommend keeping filters light at this stage so you can pull in more products. You can always refine your results later from the results page. Then you'll see a few extra options on the right. You can give your scan a name to keep things organized, and turn on notifications if you'd like to be alerted when the scan is complete. When everything is ready, click Start Scan. A pop-up will appear showing the estimated completion time, and the scan will keep running in the background, even if you close your browser.